All right, so it's restaurant review time. You can see that was the Grand America across the street. I am now walking into the Little America on the east entrance because we are heading in to the coffee shop restaurant to do a restaurant review. So this is us getting ready to enter the coffee shop through the Little America's lobby. The coffee shop is the restaurant, as I mentioned. We're going to get seated, check out the menu, and order our dinner. Alright, so before the dinner came out, they served us some delicious rolls. Then after the rolls came the salad. Then after the salad came the kids' meals. Our kids went with the cheeseburger off of the kids menu, which they absolutely love, and I'll have to admit those burgers and fries were actually pretty good. After the kids meal came out, our fish, I got the halibut, my wife got the salmon with the baked potato and the vegetables to keep it healthy, and I have to say those were delicious meals, both of them. Then the kids got some ice cream to top it all off, and what a wonderful dinner. So if you're looking for a place to go downtown to dine, I would definitely suggest checking out the coffee shop. The coffee shop had a good selection of food. Here is an image of the menu in case you want to zoom in and kind of get an idea of what they have. But if you want a nice dinner out, heading downtown, definitely consider checking out the coffee shop.